Hi friends, it's Miss Paula with today's art project. Today we are going to make jellyfish. Your supplies that you will need: a bowl, a disposable bowl. I have used a styrofoam bowl. You can use a Chinette paper one. It just needs to be a disposable bowl. Glue, yarn, some scissors, basically just to cut your yarn. I recommend sharpies for this project because they stay on better and dry faster. A regular marker doesn't really dry and it'll transfer to your hands. And then some crepe paper streamers, whatever colors you would like to use. Okay, we'll start by making a hole in the top of the bottom of your bowl actually. And you just want to make a small hole, so use like a pin and poke a hole in it. I already have one because I started this project and my video cut out on me, so I'm going to go ahead and stick the yarn through that hole. And then on the bottom inside, you're just going to tie a couple of knots in the same spot. That'll hold it in place. There you have your knots, and then you'll just pull it through, and then you can hang it like that and you don't have to worry about glue or anything on it. I have already gone ahead and put a couple of colors in. Well, really only one. I'll put a little more on it. You want to go ahead and decorate your bow with your Sharpies. You can take your time, make it yours. I'm just trying to keep the video quick. I'm having some computer issues. I filled up all of my space on my iPad, so my video cut out on me. I take too many pictures. Okay, I just did a couple of little designs on it. And there you can see it. And some people put googly eyes on them. I didn't bring any eyes to put on it. But you'll decorate that all the way around. Like I said, make it yours. Then you will take your crepe paper, just put a couple of little spots of glue on it. And you will stick that on the inside of the bow. So it will look like this from the outside. You have to press that down real good and give it time to dry. You'll go all the way around the inside with your crepe paper. And the crepe paper or the streamers are really easy, so you can pretty much just tear those off into strips. If you want a straight edge, you can use your scissors, but you don't have to. And it's pretty thin, so it doesn't take a lot of glue. Hope everyone had a wonderful and safe 4th of July. Oh, I have it pretty green. I think I'll put that in the middle maybe. Do a couple more. I have it almost all of the way around. I may as well finish it. And use all of my streamers. Okay, just make sure you press it down and hold it for a second. That way it sticks to it. Uh-oh, my streamer's sticking to itself now. If you do this, taking a little more time, you don't have to be in a hurry, then it'll work a little better. Okay, I'm going to put this green one right in the middle. You can even glue them, another row of them in the top. You just kind of need to let your glue dry, give it time to dry before you try to pick it up or hang it up. Once you put all of your streamers in, you can actually leave it sitting like this, the right side up, like you would eat out of it, to let it dry. And then when you turn it over, you'll have your jellyfish and all of the tentacles will be hanging down. Ooh. And then when you put it outside in the wind, it'll blow in the breeze and it looks like jellyfish. Alright, that is how you make a jellyfish. I hope you guys can make some cool ones. Like I said, you can use any colors, decorate it, make it yours. It's a fun little project and they look really pretty when they're blowing in the wind. Alright. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.